Hi boys and girls, Ms. Pickowitz with your science lesson for Thursday, September 17th. If you couldn't be on Zoom today, then you can watch this brief explanation of our concept, and then you will be using your thick and thin sorting paper. So we've talked about big and small. We've talked, and these are physical attributes, and we've talked about heavy and light. So these are also, does anybody know what kind of words these are? They mean exactly something different, like hot, cold. Yeah, they're opposites. These are opposites. So we compared big and small. We compared heavy and light. That's what scientists do. They observe, they compare. We talked about the word observe, and that means to use your senses, your eyes, your nose, your mouth, your ears, touch. So thick and thin. If something is thin, this A is thin, but I wrote another A right next to it, and it's thick. It's wider. There's a difference in how it looks. The A is thinner, it's skinnier, there's less to it, and this A is thicker, it's wider. It's not taller, it's wider. This S that I wrote is thin. It's skinnier than this S. It's thinner than this S. This S is thicker. It's wider. We can also compare thick and thin with this marker. This marker is thin, and this marker is thick. This is a thicker, I don't really want to use the word, it's wider. There's more to it. It's more round. This one is thinner. It's skinnier. This binder is thin. See? And I'm going to hold up a thick binder next to it. And you can see how much wider it is. This is thick. This is thin. Thick and thin. So we are going to work on our sort. First thing you should do is you should tear it off from the other paper so you don't accidentally cut what's underneath it, because if you cut this paper, you're going to cut some of what you need to color tomorrow. So you're going to tear this paper off, and you're going to cut out the pieces on the bottom. And then you're going to sort if it's thick or thin. So we have a picture of a snowman, a block, a crayon. But here's another snowman, another crayon, and another block. So you're going to look at the two crayons, and you're going to determine which one is thick and which one is thin. And then you're going to glue it under the thin. Thin ends with an N. We're learning what N makes this week. N. And you're going to glue it under thick. Thick ends with K if it's thicker, if it's wider. You're going to look at the two snowmen, and you're going to determine which one, and you're going to do it by observing with your eyes which one is thick and which one is thin. And you'll do that for your pictures, and you can color them. And that is science for today, thick and thin. Tomorrow we're going to work on soft and hard. So tomorrow we'll be working on how things feel. So have fun cutting and coloring your thick and thin pictures. Glue them under the right box, and I will see you later. Bye, boys and girls.